Alright, gritdogtrader here. Today is 11/20/2012. This is my latest swing trade on CLSN. This move is not done by any way. I just wanted to get out of my Scottrade account and switch it to my E-Trade account, which was a pretty dumb move at the time that I made it, but we'll go over that now. I bought it right about here, 45, 5:45 on Friday, and dipped down a little bit, but I held it. I was going to add down here at the bottom. I knew I should have, and then of course flew back up like that. With a powerful move like that, kept me confident keeping it, and I knew that this thing supposedly has like the cure for cancer, and it's gonna be great, and the information comes out in January, mid-January, I think January 15th, and it should be like the best drug in the world, and with proper approvals it's going to be $30 a share. So with all the buzz going on iHub and Yahoo message boards, I mean, people are pretty insane. They have real high hopes for this thing, and there's not too many bashers, and there's a lot of pretty good points on there that make this thing look like it could run for a little while. So I bought in a couple of hundred shares, 300 shares, just a small trade down here, and I held it. I said gapped up here, gapped up, gapped up. Today the move really started to work. It just flew up from the beginning. We had record volume today. As you can see down here, the volume is just incredible compared to these last 3 days. This is top three, one of the top 3 days of volume that this company has ever had, and looks pretty good. We closed here at 609 at the 52-week high, right at exactly the 52-week high. So we're above the 20-day moving average. Everything's looking good for maybe another gap and run tomorrow. This thing moved. I sold really weak right down here in low 590s, something at 592, and it was bad. I actually sold right here, and I saw this little downtrend, and I thought we'd get into the 80s, so I set up a buy order for a bigger order for an E-Trade for 580, but we didn't get into the 80s whatsoever. I thought for sure that we would come and bounce right here off of this, and never happened. I was like the lowest sale, and then I got out of the shower and came up here. I had one more chance to buy the dip, but I wasn't ready yet, so then I waited it out, and all this happened. We was up to 620 at one point today, and I was really upset then. Luckily, we collapsed down here a little bit, and I got back in at 605. Not the best re-entry, but I like it, and I will scale in at dips. I have plenty more to go if this goes. This trade is expected to go up till January. I expect maybe a dip, a little bit, a pullback on Monday after Thanksgiving, or another run. This is going to have to pull back at some time. This is quite a run right here that it's had, and it's been running for, geez, quite a while now. I guess it's been running from $4.30 up to 609. So this is due a pullback anytime now, and I'll be ready and waiting for it when it happens. Later.